that's right. I'm saying that those who are here, right? Okay, like Amiro, Enki, Jiaqing, Jocelyn, Mina. Okay, I wish that y'all can score A plus in the coming SPM exam. Okay, because your effort can be seen. If I'm a boss, I'm the boss. I will hire you, to be the staff. Okay, wow. The talent, you are the talent. Can see my actually attitude plays an important role because I involve a lot in corporates also. I'm also a corporate trainer. I hold the several positions in a high position in the organization, like also CEO of the education group. I'm also a vice president of the one of the big corporation. So that's right, a lot of things I'm holding the big position. Normally I look at people, I know this person can be hired or not. So you all are my, let's say, candidates. I will hire you, because I see all of you here every week without fail, especially I see Enki also responding to the answer, question and answer very actively. Enki will be like my first choice. It's something like that, This is all called as observation. Yes, really. Observation throughout the whole program, throughout the whole, let's say you see the Squid Game, right? Yeah. 100, and then 30, and then of course, you need to know A plus is not given to everyone. You deserve for it if you really put the effort in. So my motivation to you today is you need to know this is called the life. Okay, it's not that very important that you must score A plus or what. It's also look at your attitude. Okay, your attitude will help you to be successful in a very fast period. Some people take 10 years. I can tell you, you take only 1 year. This is something also throughout the experience I have in the corporates, in the educations. Okay, I also lecture in university. So I actually seen so many people, so many like from a normal student to those Dato, Tan Sri, Tun, all these people, I have met them, they are like, what's that called? Our friends, So that's why I can tell you what they like. Yeah, all the bosses, because we are involved in marketing, social. Yeah, I'm also very active in charity organization. Active in St. John Ambulance. I'm the state secretary of St. John Ambulance, and also I'm active in Junior Chamber International (JCI). So today, why I want to say all this thing because I want to teach you not just mathematics but also life experience and how to be successful in a very very quick way. Yeah, because I don't really share for the past many weeks, right? I only just teach, but only today you found out, wow, this is Mr. Anson. You should like my Instagram. You should go through and check it out. Then you know who am I already. Okay. Yeah. So that's why I hope that y'all need to be more hardworking. Okay. Not only yourself, you can motivate your friends. Those friends that you feel they are deserve to be helped. I also have friends that help me and help them and be successful together. Yeah, my friend, oh my God, the income also like 30, 40,000 per month. Yeah, our income is like, so that's why I can tell you why we can earn that. Also because we put effort. So this is something I share only to y'all, those who came early, okay, so that y'all can understand, try to absorb what my advice is. Okay, what my advice is. I want to see you drive big car, stay in bungalow in future. Yeah, we have actually gone through it. So I hope that y'all can work it out on that, right? For those who are still no sleeping, okay, let them be. Yeah, so state all the inequalities. Okay, for this question, how to state all the inequalities? This question. Yeah, I need to ask you because this question, it could be, what's that called? Y'all try to look at it now. Okay, so you can type out the answer, see whether you can get it correct or not. So this question, I always advise student, dotted line or without dotted line got difference. Huh? Above, more than. If the area is below, less than. Like for those line x equals y, the left hand side is less than, right hand side is more than. So class, what is the answer? Y x plus 7. The dotted line will be less than without equal sign. Make sure y is on the left hand side. Okay, how about this? Yeah, this is the line that they didn't give you, but they expect you to know. It's a vertical line, confirm is X, not Y. Y is a horizontal line. Kalau dia garis melintang, kena Y sama dengan. Kalau garis menegak, ialah X sama dengan 1. Oh, very good, Enki. Well done. So X less than equals to 1. And how about Y? Negative 1 over 2X minus 2. Above means more than equal. Simple as that, right? So you all have attended school, right? You all go to school. So hopefully there will be no any outbreak later on. Now again increasing after Deepawali. Yeah, 2,000 OK, 6,000 old cases. Although vaccine ready, but still quite risky lah, huh? Hold on, I choose other question. Yeah, this one. Some of the question like PT3 question you must know how to answer. It's basically your, your revision. If you forgot, quickly look at the what? Quickly look at the notes. Yeah. Who can do? What is your answer, everyone? This one very simple. I want you to make sure that you can easily solve it without any problem. Okay, now let's discuss. I also time you about 3 to 5 minutes only. I don't give you a lot of time to solve because I on the spot test you. You will be tested from time to time. Okay, so that you all have to take out test pad and do it on the spot and see whether your answer am I working same or not. Right? 2 square. So it's given that the area of the square EFGH. So I filled out whatever I see, and then they say JF equals to KG. They also put the mark there. Okay, they put all the mark already equals to P lah. Now the thing is JF more than FK. Why they want to tell you that? because maybe they will later got the value, you have to adjust lah. Huh? So calculate the value of P, or so calculate the value of P. So this question, it seems like very like information enough or not enough, or are you clear with the question or not? Okay, yeah, SPM. This is ulangan paper last time, 2020. Okay, so you have to know how it works, right? If they test you again, something like that. Okay, but last time very easy, find area lah, all these things. But given the area already, so this is the area. Got 2 square. So I want you to solve. Is it a simultaneous equation or don't need lah? Huh? You try to see how to look at it because both of them are square. Means this one 8. This is 8 minus p, right? 8 minus p, in other words. Okay. Then to solve this, that means this is 4 identical triangle. So do you see the area of the EFGH equals to 34? This is the crucial information for you to solve. Because area of EFGH, you always use big minus small. Area of JKLM, the big square, minus 4 triangle. Then area of JKLM, I know lah, 8 times 8, right? Square ma. Area of triangle, half times base times height. So student, they don't know how to make this equation. That's right, 6 marks is very important for you to know it's a quadratic expression. Because you see, I'll see a quadratic expression 4 times 1, so it will be 2. Okay, this one expand first. 8p minus p squared. Okay. And rearrange 2p squared minus 16p plus 64 minus 34 equals to 0. 2p squared minus 16p plus 30 equals to 0. And then you will have all this. 2p times p. 30 is what times what to get 16? 5, 6. Or what? 10, 3. 15, 2. So what do you think? Can factorize or not? So I want you to see carefully. Factorize that. 30 is what? 2 times 15, or 6 times 5, or 1 times 30. So can it be factorized or cannot factorize nicely? If not, yeah, you have to know, can right? 5, 6 can So a lot of people weak in factorization, very sad. Then you split the factor, p equals to 3, p equals to 5. And the question is, they give you JF more than FK. Although you got 2 answers, you have to decide. Not necessary answer straight away is 5 or 3, both can be accepted. No. If let's say when p equals to 3 lah, 8 minus p equals to 8 minus 3 equals to 5. What do you think? This is 5, this is 3. They say JF more than FK. So this one will be having the JF will be less than FK. Cannot. So you have to know. This is just for me to do checking. When P is 5, 8 minus P, 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So in this situation, JF will be more than FK. You put it in at 5, 3, correct? Then means this one is, who is rejected? P equals to 3 rejected. Kena ditolak sebab tak diterima. Okay, sebab kena memuaskan syarat dia. Understand? Yeah, so quiet. Continue lor. Hello. I hope that y'all can do well. How about this question? Okay, diagram. Okay, this question. Now your turn. This one still will come out in the exam. Finish? What is your answer, ladies and gentlemen? Who can give me the answer? Why so quiet? Means you haven't finished or what? Because in exam, yeah, timing is very important. You have to make sure you can solve it easily, right? So any question? Okay, so after this, we will look at the answer. Now, the working, I want to calculate the volume of the remaining solid. So the thing is, oh, I saw your friend Anki give the answer. Well done. So shows a prism with a trapezium base. Oh, this type of question with trapezium base, oh, you never see before. With a uniform cross section and the area of trapezium. Oh, they give you area of trapezium. This area of trapezium already given 72 cm squared. A cone with a diameter 6 cm. I try to label on it because since they didn't label for you, okay, and the height from here you have to imagine the 3D 10 cm is taking out from the prism. So the thing is you have to know how to calculate the volume of remaining solid. So of course you take volume of the prism minus volume of the cone. So 72 times 10. Because you got area of trapezium, you don't need to worry about the 10 or 12 already. Straight away times 10, the height, right? This is the whole thing. Normally, you take the area of cross section times the height or times the length to get the whole volume. Minus the volume of cone. Formula to find volume of cone, 103 times pi. They ask you to use this, must follow. R is 3, right? Pi r square h. So the answer 720 minus. So you check whether correct or not. So this one will be what answer? 22 times 3 times 10 times, so this one will be having 94,207. So everyone, your answer minus ready. I saw Anki got it correct. 625 5/7 cm cube. Yeah, check working correct or not. Okay, can this one question, if you know how to do it, then you got no problem for this stuff because these are the question PT3, right? They like to test. Okay, if let's say you know are not able to do it, then you have to answer it correct, no? Carefully. Someone, oh, hello. Oh, your friend, oh, Brian, okay. Okay, this question, matrix, is it? No, matrix not allowed. Oh, simultaneous equation. Yeah, this type of question. So which one you prefer to do? This one, okay lah, simultaneous equation. I don't think it will come out. This one lah. Nothing, I heard your voice. I thought you want to talk to us.
Oh, got depression, no.
Oh, you got depression, what happened?
My advanced physics biochemist didn't do revision at all.
Oh, now you make sure focus for your final exam, score well in final lah. That will be the last shot already. Now it's for you to wake up only, all these tests make you feel like, you not enough practice. This is a warning to yourself only, okay? Just make yourself that you all have to make sure you can understand, do well, right? The answer for this. Wow, very good. Okay, statement 1. So this is a bonus mark question also, whereby students need to know how to understand the way how you solve. Yeah, step by step. Okay, so very simple question. You should take less than 2 minutes. Okay, so I see some of you still doing. So you see, state whether it's a statement or not. Statement means you have to know they give you a value or answer. This one like incomplete. Bukan pernyataan sebab dia macam hanging. Okay, macam apa? Tak ada jawapan punya, walaupun palsu punya jawapan pun langsung tak ada. So premise 1 is a pentagon, has 5 sides. Oh, so because they give you a specific example, confirm use this type, whereby all pentagon combine has 5 sides. For those who use BM, semua pentagon mempunyai 5 sisi. Okay, good. Now, how about this question? Quickly look at it now. And make a conclusion. And tell me your answer for those who have done. Okay, who can manage to write completely? Because, if you don't write completely, you won't get full mark 2 marks, So I saw the answer from Siti, Enki, Brian. Very good. Well done, all of you. Actually, yeah. Oh, very good, Enki. Luckily, he knows, got one thing to add on, right? Because a lot of people, they see the pattern, not this one. From here, you have to see the pattern to do induction, to generate into one general conclusion or one formula. What is repeating, just copy. Tambah 4, tambah 4. So, sama punya saya tulis dulu. Yang berlainan punya lah ini kan. 1, 0, 2, 1. Eh? Oh, this one like very weird, oh. So how where n equals to, you know, if you say 1, start from 1, then this one n. Then this one should be n minus 1, you see or not the difference? A lot of people cannot write this easily, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see the link here 1, here 0, here 2, here 1. Double check. When n is 3, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 power 2. Lor. Oh, if let's say I say n start from 0, can or not? Yeah, then the bottom one will be n plus 1, n power of n. Can. Acceptable lah. Where n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. Kedua-dua jawapan pun boleh. Tapi kena ingatlah, kena memberikan untuk nilai-nilai yang seterusnya masih boleh kekalkan pola ini. Boleh faham ya? Okay, let's go to the next question. Oh, using matrix method, I like this question. Are your subjective man? So let's see this question, see whether you can do or not. Okay, try to write in the simultaneous equation first. Then only convert to the matrices. Then only you use inverse method to solve. This is the method, the flow. Inilah urutan dia macam mana buat untuk soalan begitu iaitu matrix. Okay, so I need you all to really work it out on it, right? Okay. Okay, I saw the answer from Siti Engki. Oh, I see where I say that. Okay, good. So very good. They finished already. Yeah, last. So now I want to see the others also. Do it correctly. Okay, without any problem. Okay, so hold up, y'all can score this 4 marks. 4 marks. So first of all, you see, they want you to find the price of an eraser. That is how I start doing this question. You see the technique I do. I let X equals to the price of an eraser. You can use the BM version lah. Biar X sebagai harga 1 unit per madam. And let Y equals to the price of a pencil, because this is the starting of how you're going to explain the X and Y. Then only you write the equation, because you see, bought 30 eraser, 80 pencils for this amount. So 30X plus 80Y equals to 72 ringgit 50 cents. And then 20 eraser, 20X plus 60Y equals to 53 ringgit. So what happened here is you can make it into no more so many zero, right? You can make it divide by 10, 3x plus 8y equals to 7.25. You can do that. This also can divide by 10. Because equation, you can do this so that you can see how it is, look like. Very good, Natasha. Very good. All answers similar. Then only open bracket for the matrices for you to put it in. Put the coefficient of the x and y. So you have to rearrange in this form. Then only you can put it into this matrix. All right. And then this one confirm xy. Then this will be the value of the what's that called? The answer. Then I want to find xy. This one bring to the right hand side, become inverse. And what happened is 1 over 6380 minus 8216. Change page, change sign. This one, don't multiply the number first. You take remember to solve matrix first. Row times column to get the first element. Then second row times the column to get the second element. All right. So you see, you take the first element times first element, second element times second element, then plus together. Same thing here. And your answer, yeah, what do you get? 7.25 times 6 minus 8 times 5.3. This one will be 1.1. Interesting, huh? Got decimal. Students also scared, you know, got decimal, they lose confidence. No lah. Easy, right? Because money, money got cent one, you know. Got cent one. So 1.1 divided by 2, 0.55. Right? Put multiply inside and you see your x equals to 55 cents. But you already wrote on birth there what is x and y, so don't need to write so long again. Right? Happy go lucky, lucky go happy. Okay or not? Yeah, how is your school? I know school reopen, right? Everyone like don't like online class or what already, huh? They feel like online class, ayo, better go to school, right? But still got people don't go to school. They prefer online. So it's like very weird. The feeling is like, how come your seems like, you know, huh? So Brian say, just hope lockdown again, so no need trial. Oh, your need trial lah, Jela, attendance was bad. Yeah, I heard about that also. Like, I have one student that told me, right, in his school, by right, the class got 40 students. Then they got rotational group one, group A, group B lah, 2020. Oh. So the group B itself also 3 students came that day. Another 17 students. So only come for exam only. Oh, good lah, good lah. You also know which one priority, huh? But you all should know it's all important lesson that you all have to see how you cope with this pandemic. Okay, if not, by right uh you can score easily with physical class, but now yeah lah, you have to be aware about that. Okay, I saw the answer from, oh, your friend say something. Oh, Brian say, my class, the lowest attendance is 2 only. Luckily not 1. I have another student say he alone go to school. Like those drama, everyone didn't attend, then he is the only one. I feel like so happy that, wow, only you. So yeah. Oh, Jalen said I tune up, but like you turn up, or not you tune up. I'm like, hey, how come tune up? One? You turn up, but the teacher asked her to go back. Huh? Oh, got one turn up, but the teacher, okay. The whole school, the lowest is no student go. Got 2 classes have that. My class full with people. Huh? Really? How come? Because A class, A plus student. Maybe good class student don't want to miss class. Yeah. Normally it's like that one. Yeah. This is something like, people say, kiasu, I have to go there. Oh, so yeah, actually good student, they really take things seriously. Like what I say this morning, early morning, for those who turned up earlier today, I share with you, these are called attitude one, attitude. Attitude make the change. Make yourself also achieve more unexpected thing, very important one. Well, I felt like go to tuition only. Okay, during Pagiliran, luckily you are here. And today is, yeah, so that means next week will be the last lesson already leh. Yeah, our program will be ended for Maths and MS next week, last lesson. So fast. Your friends say, do you all have friends unvaccinated? Oh, I think all vaccinated. Anyone your friend unvaccinated? I think 100% ready what? Because from 1, from 2, oh, you have an unvaccinated friend. Huh? How come? Whether can talk to, oh no. Wear mask, can talk, can talk. He's not gonna COVID positive, still human. Don't think like those unvaccinated people like ghosts like that, scared to approach. Can talk, can talk. Those will be COVID also. Yeah, as long as social distancing, all these things you practice okay already lah. Okay, so good. City, Anki give the answer already. Very good. You are so attentive. So that's right. You see, my class is like that. I have student, right? That day, right? Ooh, not this class, another program about 200 student one. Got one student, out of 200 students, got one student, he say, right? She say like, how come my class don't discuss a lot of question? Huh? She expect me like, don't need to give your time to do, don't need to give your time to absorb. I can teach one shot, but ended up you don't understand how to do. She thought that maybe primary school must have 1,000 questions to do. When you go higher and higher, right? Do you know that university, because I study maths in bachelor degree, master degree also, our exam only 3 questions, 5 questions for 3 hours. 3 hours to solve 2, 3 questions, 4 questions. You got shocked, right? You get shocked, right? Yeah, so she expect me to teach a lot of question in the class. No need to explain so much one. You. So that time I also a bit sad lah. Why she say that? The feedback. But never mind lah. She doesn't understand the teaching style. But very good. You all can do and type it out. And Brian say it's normal because some felt the vaccine is not safe. Either teacher also don't get vaccine. Really? So scary, huh? Okay, so state the equation of the straight line KL. KL, where? Yeah, this one easy. This one is parallel to the line x-axis, right? Means y equals to something lah. But cut at where? To find this point, cut at where? They share with this line. So question A, actually you need to solve the y-intercept when x equals 0. This is easy. This is a bonus mark question, SPM. This is real SPM question. Okay. Straight line, although you learn in Form 3, will come out again. So the equation of KL persamaan, okay, bagi garis KL, y samanan -5 plus. Okay, question. Find the equation of straight line PQ. Parallel. Parallel, so you must know. Yeah, question B, gradient of PQ equals to gradient of KH equals to -3. Yeah. Wow, very good, Brian. Now find the equation. You need to know, have to find gradient. Got already, and also a y-intercept. yeah, why this chapter? I mean, it's not difficult. Just that some students they don't know the method. They need to find this, find that. So y equals to ms plus c, or y equals to mx plus c. Minus 15, because yeah, easy, easy. Okay, then now find the coordinates of Q. Okay, to find coordinates of Q, so let's see, you have to know the only way is to solve with the equation. Because PQ equation don't have the, you got the equation ready, Maho? You want to find the coordinates of Q, right? I share again, got someone outside waiting so long, sorry, didn't see that. Hello, came in late. Hello, hello. Hello, coordinates of Q, you have to know is actually x-intercept of this equation PQ. You got the equation, right? To find the x-intercept is when y equals to 0. Nah, cari koordinat Q, kenalah gantikan ke dalam persamaan PQ. Dan you akan nampak apa? Wait, hold on. Negative 3x minus 15. There's someone taking bath. Okay, so coordinates of Q is when y equals 0, x is -5. Something not right, huh? Any problem? Hold on, equation of PQ. Hey, yeah, I got mistake. Ayo, you know what is a mistake? This question, equation of PQ got mistake. I go and substitute wrongly the point. Okay, they want equation of PQ. I go and find the equation of HK pula. Okay. Why you so quiet one? Got mistake leh. Okay, this one, PQ, the y-intercept is here lah. So they give you point P is the one that can help you to find the C. So I haven't finished. At point P, -2, 9. Okay, 9 equals to M x plus C. 9 equals to 6 plus C. C equals to 3 lor. C equals to 3. So your answer, y equals to mx plus c. -3 cx plus 3, huh? So this is the thing you have to know. Why my pen so jam lagging? So x is 1, huh? So the answer coordinate Q will be 1, 0. Okay, very good, Min. Natasha. Done. Next question. You all need to copy or not? Anything that you make mistake?
Give us a little time.
What do you say?
Give us a little time, please.
Okay, sure. So those who have done, you check your working. Do you get 6 marks by writing all the working like that? Okay, next question. Now, this question also related to what? Yes, this question asks you to draw, Okay, what if I try to paste it into another whiteboard, easier for you to see one page, huh? So those who are here, look at this question. Now, this question is the distance speed graph, right? Okay, so everyone, look at this now. I want all of you to also try to sketch the graph, because the graph, right, you can make it as your revision later. All these questions I discussed, at least you can do it, because the pattern roughly the same on SPM. Although they change syllabus, I mean the new format, but the way of the question they can test you for the particular chapter still the same. Okay, don't need to worry. Okay. Any question? So can do this question or not? Because somehow when you solve, right, you have problem or what? Finish? So this question, if you want to solve, okay, Anki give the answer already. Well done. Who else want to give the answer? So another answer from Min and City. Very good. You see whether how you can, easily, achieve it. Okay, 1 more minute. Anyone? Those who still do it quickly, back up. Your friend already finished like 3 minutes ago. So it's a time every single minute that you do. You have to be very alert, yeah, so that you can easily, score, right? Okay, so let's see your answer together. Now, check your answer and the working that I write and you wrote, they say. Okay, soal ini kata Raja dan Bibrang jawapan menunjukkan graf jarak masa. Oh, first of all, always remember, look at the y-axis. Is speed or distance? Because only these two questions will come up, right? J took 45 minutes for his return journey to Bandar Aman. So Bandar Aman, Sheria, Bestari, so 45 minutes, So 90 plus 45, right, equals to 135 minutes. Going back, so it's a straight line going down. 135 is at where? So I want you to know 135, is it 120 plus 150 divided by 2? Yeah, this is 135. Ngam ngam. So you draw like that, done, complete. Then question B, based on the diagram, calculate the duration stop. So B Roman 1, stop means over here. at Bandar Bestari. So the duration, tempo dia, 60 minus 30 equals to 30 minutes. And then to find the speed in the first 30 minutes, formula, distance over time. Remember, do 6 to 9. Yeah, the triangle that I gave you last time, go or not, you still remember? Yeah, you forgot the formula, do 6 to 9. So distance for the first 30, distance is 20 kilometer. And this is 30 minutes. And a lot of students, very cute. They directly put 30 and then they didn't see the answer live in kilometer per hour. So you have to divide by 60 lah, to change to hour. So 20 divided by the half, we get 40 kilometer per hour. So direct SPM question. Easy lah. Okay, how about average speed? Average speed. Formula total distance jumlah jarak bagi jumlah masa. Total distance, how long? You must know, go up 50, go down 50, so total is 100 lah. Total time, total time. How long? 135 minutes, huh? But change to hour. So 100 over 135 over 60. So kilometer per hour. You can take your calculator because you got no brain. Use calculator. Actually, wow, this answer 44.444444444. Say. Actually, right. This also can. Okay, so cute. Oh, correct or not? Wow, me Natasha 409. Okay, can. So that's the answer. Very good. Oh, you got it correct. Well done. For those who haven't get it correct, please check what is your mistake. Okay, and we have the next question. Oh, this one interesting. Okay, this one, you don't like probability, huh? It come out in exam. Probability. Okay, done, huh? So those that finished, please do it now. I paste it on the whiteboard here. Oh, you do it now, see whether can solve or not, easily or not, without any problem. Okay, I saw the answer from Nazran. I went to get 50-50. Okay, it's like that. Just now, right? You see this, you know, this is distant graph, right? 50 plus 50 is because you go up, okay, up to Banda Sharia is 50 already. What? Then you go back home, eh? This line go back home. So total distance is 50, go there and come back 50. Just like your house go to school and then school go back to house. So 50 plus 50. The graph is to tell you from where to where and then stop at where. That's right, to get 50 over 50, 50 plus 50. Understand? Any question? Okay, Siti Fana done already. Very good. Okay, check your answer. Very good. Natasha give the answer also. Very good. Let's see. Okay, I zoom it bigger lah. Okay, this question is a disk with divided into 4 equal sector. 9A to D lah. The disk is spin twice, spin twice. After each spin, the outcome is recorded. List the sample space. So spin twice, you have to know whereby you can get 9, then followed by E, 9, you get 2. So you have to list out all of them. 9, D, then E, 2, E, D, E9. Can be similar or not? 9, don't miss anything. So you have to know 9, EE also can. So that's right, you have to be very careful, right? So you have 9. So I have E, E also, and then E2. Then after that, 2D, 29, 2E, and 22. Next, D9, DE, D2, and DD. All these are the possible outcome if you list out all of them. After that, they ask you to list down the possible outcome, find the probability. The pointer points at least once. Okay, pointer points at least once, the prime number sector. So I let A equals to this lah, the event A. So event A, prime factor, the prime number, who is prime number 2? Confirm law. 92. I just got prime number, I want E2. 2D, also many, 29, got prime number is okay already. And D2, yeah, so probability of that, how many of them? 7, total 16. Wow, very good, man. Okay. Right, sit there. Oh, mistake there, huh, your friend? Don't worry. Do again, double check. So I let B equals to the pointer points twice an alphabet sector. So what are the possible outcome? 2 also alphabet. 2 also alphabet. ED, EE, okay, DE, DD. So how many? So got 4 only, huh? So 4 over 16 and simplify answer 1 over 4. Correct? Well done. You see, all of you got it correct. Easy, right? Got challenge or not? No. Okay, so today I will say that we have done like maybe these suggested questions of that, and then we still got other questions to discuss like enlargement, the paper 2, you know, the bagian B, bagian C question even more longer and also higher marks. So perhaps next week I will discuss with you the question that you don't like also, right? So hopefully you can do well in the exam later on. So if you've got any question, let me know. And those who still not with me, you know, like let's say for those who, let's say, you know, want to, let's say personal chat or whatever, you know, you can add me my, what's that called? My Insta, Anson Link, Chinte, or Facebook. Okay lah, you can find it out. Then you'll see me. So you can, you know, still communicate with me in case, let's say next week I make it, but I hope that you all make sure come for the last lesson lah, because next week will be one of the day that I can give you more information to make sure that you all can do well in the exam. So is that okay? Because you know, I know you all need more help or what, and also until November it will be end of program. Still got December, January, February, 3 months to go. So 3 months to go, you can, you know, do a lot of revision also. Although you are weak in this chapter or previously the discussion question on that chapter, some chapter you feel like, oh, you like that also not so sure how to do, right? So I hope that y'all can do well lah, huh? Can ask me also. Yeah, WP11. Okay, so that's all for today. I will wish you all the best and I see you last lesson on next week. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Right, thank you, Amiro, Min, Unki, Jocelyn. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Yeah, stay safe. Must make sure you do well. Don't kena COVID halfway. Okay, no lah. Touch wood. SPM. Soon nearly SPM. Okay, well done. Yeah, smooth and efficient. Okay lah. So I see you again. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Welcome.